What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Lego Among Us imposter and his mini crewmate. Now I'm going to show you how to build this. So to start, you need minifigure legs in whatever color you want, and then you need like one of these pieces, like with 2 studs on the top and 2 studs on the side, 2x1 brick, and then you can like push it onto this so it looks kind of like that. And then you could like take one of these overhang pieces. I don't really know what they're called. Now you can kind of like snap it on like that. And then for the backpack, you can like take one of these pieces. Honestly, would prefer them without the studs, but oh well. You put that on the back, and then with the visor pieces, you could also have this with studs, but it kind of looks like it has eyes, which some people might like, but I prefer like more like a plate. And that's your Lego Among Us imposter. Now I'm going to show you how to build this. Here are the pieces you'll need. So I took a red 1x1 brick. Again, it should be like the color, like the imposter. And then I'd take this, like with one of the back pieces too. Like snap it on, you know. Take one of these back pieces, put it like on the back as like a backpack, you know. And then like take one of these plate pieces, put it on the top, and then one of these like stud pieces and put it on his face. And that's pretty good mini Crewmate. And now I'm going to show you how to build the little baseball hat, backwards baseball hat. So this one's pretty simple. There's many ways you can improve this. I just took this on a 2x2 flat, put it on top, and here, let's try it on him. Put it on. I think it doesn't look that bad, you know? There's one more hat that I would like to build. It's like the top hat. You could like take one of these 2x2s with one stud on it. Put this piece here. There are also many other ways you could build this, but this one's just a pretty simple way. And let's see how it looks on the imposter. Doesn't look bad. Now I'm going to show you how to build like this little knife as like the kill animation. So you just need one of these pretty simple pieces, and then just like a knife. My favorite way is to do it like this, like with the knife angled down. And I actually don't think I did this right, but like with it like this, I think put the knife other way. So kind of like this at the bottom, angling down. That's my favorite way to put the knife. Now I was going to show you guys how to build this plate. Some of you guys might not have these pieces, but if you do, it's actually a really cool plate. So first you would need like 2 of these pieces. They don't have to have like these cool like grill animations, but I think it does look pretty cool. So you can like put this kind of like that. Well, no, not like that, but like with one stud hanging off like that. I would put the other one on too. Here, like that. Oh, well, that's not level, but I can fix that in a minute. And then put like the other one on like that. And that's there you go, I fixed that. I just had this piece like off-centered. So yeah, it's a pretty cool plate. Let's get them. Put him like nice in the center. I have to put the mini crewmate somewhere like here, angled, because I feel like it looks better because you can like see his backpack. Maybe put this here as like one of the hat props, and then put another hat prop like right here. Pretty cool. So there it is, your Lego Among Us imposter, your mini crewmate, your backwards baseball hat. I forgot to put that on backwards, and your nice top hat. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.